So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix network signal problem in Samsung Galaxy A16. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues like you are not getting the proper 5G network and you're facing the issue that internet is not working properly, so guys, you follow this video to troubleshoot this issue. First thing is guys, make sure that your network provider having the means you have the proper coverage of your network in your area and in your location. For this you simply download the application of your service provider. Like in India we are using the Airtel, so you just download the application, and in the application you have the option that you can check all the coverage and that which type of network they provided in their locations. Like if you are using the 5G, so your application just shows it's 5G. Okay, another thing is guys, you try to reset your setting once. For resetting the settings, simply go to the option of setting. In the setting section guys, go to the option of here you go to the option of general management, software update, sorry, general management. In the general management you simply tap on the option reset, and here you simply tap on reset mobile networks. Okay, so it also help you to resolve this problem. And guys, after that you move to the another step, which is you try to remove your SIM card once and reinsert it again. By simple remove and reinsert, it also help you to resolve these basic issues. Okay, then guys, you try to turn on and off your aeroplane mode. Okay, so you simply go down and turn on your aeroplane mode and turn it off. Still having the issue, so guys, you simply power off your phone and restart. If you're performing all of the things and still your Wi-Fi your network is not working properly, so guys, now you need to contact with the support team. So guys, maybe the problem is not from your side, the problem is from your network provider. Maybe you need to change and switch to the different network provider. So you try to do, and maybe your problem is solved. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.